About 3 years ago, Beyond Digital formed a partnership with NASCAR in Canada, an official partner of NASCAR in Canada, official supplier to them, and we also went out and sponsored a team.
We believe we are one of the largest print service provider in Canada. And we're located in Markham, Ontario, just north of Toronto. And we have about 70 employees and with about 80,000 square feet. We supply customers that include the retail sector, agencies, marketing companies, event companies, exhibits companies, sign companies.
On race day, you're going to see products produced by Beyond Digital that will be anywhere from the range of skypole flags. You're going to see tents. We're going to see a number of 5 or 6 of our wrapped cars on the track. The quality of the color, the detail on the cars will all shine on that day. The HP design jet L65500 is the truest machine that I've ever seen produce true-to-life colors and solid colors.
Car wraps in NASCAR are quite new. Traditionally these cars have been painted. What car wrapping has done is it's just brought a whole new world of options to the sponsors in terms of brand presentation, and that the graphic elements that you can include are just much greater than what you can do with paint alone. The advantage really comes in cost savings to the teams in terms of time in the paint booth, and also labor in terms of being quicker to have the car presentable at the racetrack. With the wraps, you can, if you've got one section of the race car that's been damaged throughout the race, which happens every race weekend, so you can take off that section, reapply it, or in the case where a car sustains quite a bit of damage to the body, then you can just redo the whole body with a new wrap, as opposed to having to take it into the paint shop and go through the time and expense of doing that.
We start with a template of the car. We get a little bit of creative input from the customer, and then we start to get directions flowing on 3 different designs. Right now, the printer's printing some of the graphics that go right onto the race car. This particular printer, we're able to get incredible solid colors here and here, awesome finite details. This is a small little flame that's produced inside of a 3-inch ball, and the ability for this printer to zone right in and get tight detail is fantastic. Unlike any other printer that we have in the shop. We bring the car either into our dome or we do the installation at their race shop. We first print a base film, and the base film goes on to all wraps all the way around the car. And then we add things like headlights, the side numbers, the tail lights, and the Beyond Digital graphic. When we first started wrapping cars in the NASCAR Canadian Tire Series, we had a lot of competition from people that were painting them because they could get really true colors. We struggled a bit on a few machines. When this machine arrived here, that problem was solved.